Science and practice finding the least common multiple and the greatest common factor of the numbers 10 and 25. So let's get started. I like to use a factor tree in order to find the LCM and the GCF. I just think it's a little bit easier. So let's begin with a factor tree first of 10, and 2 times 5 equals 10. I will circle both of them because they are prime. So I'm going to write out the prime factors of 10 equals 2 and 5. Now let's try 25, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25, and I will circle both of them because they are prime. So now I will write out the two prime numbers that multiply together that equal 25, and that is 5 and 5. Okay, so now let's find the least common multiple. In other words, that is what number is the smallest number that the two numbers will multiply and equal. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you do is you multiply each of the prime numbers. So I have 2, and then I have 5. But if you have 5, the same number in both numbers, you only use it once. So I will multiply it by 5, and then I only have 5 left over. So then 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. So the LCM is 50. So now let's find the greatest common factor, the GCF. And I'm going to rewrite the prime numbers that multiply together, 2 and 5, and then for 25, it's 5 and 5. And now for the greatest common factor, it's the smallest number that will multiply into both of them. And when you're using the prime factors, the prime factor must be in both numbers. So 2 is not in both numbers. Now we have a 5 in both numbers, so I will write 5. And then we have one more 5 remaining, but it is only in one number. So the greatest common factor, or the largest number that will multiply into both of them, is 5. So there we go, finding the LCM and the GCF of 10 and 25. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.